This tool is supposed to fit in that shaft there, but I need to take probably around 10 or 20 thousandths off of this in order for it to go in here properly. We need to take the diameter off past the point of these teeth, so we can't use a normal turning tool or else it'll get caught right there. We can only go that far. So instead, we're gonna have to use a boring bar, but we're using a boring bar on the back side, on the outside diameter. And so for that to work, we have to turn the lathe in reverse rather than in forward. We're going to chuck it up here and work a little bit to try to get it as concentric as possible. I'm going to be using the tailstock to help align the piece up here. We're going to loosen this here and then push it up against the tailstock. Since it's pushing up against the taper that's on this drill chuck here, that should be pretty concentric. Ideally, I would use a center rather than the drill chuck, but the center just isn't quite big enough. When we turn it on, you can see that's pretty concentric. I'm just going to take a light first pass. So you can see it's just cutting on the one side. I might try to get it a little bit more concentric. I'll try tapping it a little bit on this side. And I'll go ahead and take a little bit more off. Almost perfect. I think I'm just going to tap a little bit here. And it looks like it's almost cutting all the way around now. And we're a little bit in past the teeth now, and I think that's good enough right there. I'm trying to get it down below 1.53. Here, this bore diameter is 1.53. And I actually probably want to be 5 below that. There I am at 1.53. I think I'm going to go ahead and take that last 5. And there we go. Looks like it's maybe closer to 10 under, but that's fine as long as we fit into that shaft. And look at that.